Today I'm going to teach you how to shoot a hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is a time lapse on steroids. The way to shoot a hyperlapse is you need to find an object that's fairly large and stands out, almost like a flagpole, or bridge, or a statue. These kind of objects will make the hyperlapse a lot easier to do if you're going to shoot one. You need two things for a hyperlapse: a camera and a tripod. So the way a hyperlapse works is you got to get your grid display up. Try to get the one with like a ton of different squares all over it. So what you want to do is you want to get your middle grid line lined up with a vertical object, all up and down. Horizontal line lined up with something as well. And you keep that focal point on that object the entire time. I'm going to start from there, and I'm moving straight forward at this thing, at the bridge. Because I'm focusing basically on the bridge, focusing on that pillar right there, and then the top of the bridge where it goes straight across. And then you take a picture every time you move forward. So the picture is taken, I will take a step forward, the tripod. If you don't have a grid display on your smartphone, then you can download an app. I have to take probably up to 200 pictures, 120 to 200 pictures in that range, and that will provide probably about a 4 to 5 second clip that you can get. It just depends, you have to experiment. What you need to do is you need to make sure you're shooting at a high aperture so you can have everything in focus when you're doing it. It's a lot easier to do if you have a tripod. I've seen other people online try to use the hyperlapse without a tripod, and harder to frame it and to stay in focus, but it is possible. So it probably took me about 30 to 40 minutes to shoot this hyperlapse. Like and subscribe on the YouTube channel if you want. I'll see you next time for our next adventure. Thanks guys.
Did you just give me